Absolutely beautiful afternoon. Looking down towards the coast, village of Glanconwy. Beyond that, you have the area called Colwyn Heights, which is above Colwyn Bay, and a lovely view of the Conwy Valley below. And then I'll just pan left, and you're looking at a much rockier area, and that would be one of the routes up to the top of Talafan mountain. And Talafan is actually the smallest mountain in Eryri, or Snowdonia. And to be a mountain needs to be 2,000 foot, and Talafan just makes it 2,005 foot. One of my favourite views looking off this path down towards the Conwy Valley and the Conwy River. So we're heading along here and dropping down to the little village of Rowen. Something I often notice when I'm out walking at the backs of my little territory is the gates and the detail. Look at that, that's hand forged. Tiny little scroll just to taper that off. And I love to think of the people of old that went to the effort to put a few little details in here. And then you can just about make out where you've got a punched hole at the bottom. You see the blacksmith coming out in me appreciating these bits of metalwork. I don't know whether you're aware, but there are such things as Facebook pages for things like the Corrugated Iron Appreciation Society and traditional iron gates. There's also one that a friend of mine has got that's to do with the use of bed heads by farmers to fill in gaps in walls. And there is a great example here. There's an old gate being used. Look what's by the side of it. And that's actually quite a modern one as part of a, it looks like a bit like a hospital bed, but very often you see the old iron bedsteads with pieces of those used. Nice little gorge here, heading down the valley. Conwy River in the distance. Happy days, what a beautiful afternoon. Heading down towards the burial chamber of Minor Bardd, and this is one of the many standing stones in the area. Very historic landscape, as well as being very beautiful. Heading down towards Rowen and passing the Minor Bardd burial chamber. Capstone still intact on the top of this one. The sun has just set behind Drim, which is the Carneddau peak that's directly in front of us. And as soon as that happened, this mist is actually rolling down Bwlch y Ddwyfaen, which is the route of the Roman road. But can you see it? You'd swear that somebody has actually lit a bonfire. You can see it's just rolling down from the Bwlch, the pass that goes between Drim and Talafan. Very beautiful.